In this video, I'm going to review the problems from example 3 where you were asked to convert a number that had a base that was larger than 10 into a base 10 number.
So we want to convert this number 894 to base 12, or we're given this number in base 12, we want to make it into a base 10 number. And the procedure for doing that is not much different than what we had before for numbers that were that had bases less than 10. It's again, I just have to know that this would be the ones place, this would be the 12s place, this would be the 12 squareds place. So I would have 8 times 12 squared plus 9 times 12 plus 4, which would be 1152 plus 108 plus 4, which is 1264. Now, the only thing that when we do this procedure that we have to be aware of is that we start getting the numbers that are larger than base 10. I need to define other digits, because, in base 12, the number 11 would be considered a digit. It's not a, it's not going to have the 2-digit number representing it. It's going to be considered itself a digit. Now, how do we represent that? Well, we will typically represent that with an alphabet letter from the alphabet, a capital letter at that. So, like for instance, when I have 39EA base 16. So now we're looking at base 16. I mean, the numbers 0 through 9, are digits that are in base 16, but I would need to have a digit that represents 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And so we set this up to say, okay, well, A is going to represent the number 10, B is going to represent the number 11 in base 10, C is going to represent the value of 12, D is going to represent the value of 13, E is going to be the value of 14, and F is going to be the value of 15. And so when I break this down, this is the 16, this is the ones position, this is the 16s position, this is the 16 squareds position, this is the 16 cubes position. So I'm going to have 3 times 16 cubed plus 9 times 16 squared. E times 16, with E again is 14. And I'm going to have A in the ones position, which is going to be 10 times 16 to the 0 power. And that's going to give me 12,288 plus 2,304 plus 224 plus 10. When I add those together, I get 14,826. D20E base 16. Again, with the base 16, I have my A representing the value of 10 and so forth and so on. So this is my ones position, this is my 16s position, this is my 16 squareds position, this is my 16 cubes position. So I'm going to have D times 16 cubed. Well, D is 13, which we'll eventually put it in there. 2 times 16 squared, 0 times 16 to the first, and E times 16 to the 0. Again, the D is 13, the E is 14, so I have these products being added together, which gives me this. When I sum that up, I get 53,774. Let's try one more. So now I have B52 base 12. This is my ones position, this is my 12s position, this is my 12 squareds position. So I'm going to have B, with A being 10, B being 11. I'm going to have B times 12 squared plus 5 times 12 to the first plus 2 times 12 to the 0. B, of course, is 11, so I'm going to have 11 times 144. 5 times 12 is 60. 2 times 12 to the 0, anything to the 0 power is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. So I'm going to have 288 plus 60 plus 2, or no, not 288. 11 times 144 is 1584 plus 62. And I'm going to have 1,646 in base 10.
And that is the end of this video. If you have any further questions, please make sure to reach out and ask me about it. Until next time, have a good day.